Hey guys, we're here today. I got the Xbox One for Christmas from my dad. He's going to help me unbox it. So yeah, let's just get started. How do I open this thing? How about I unbox the controller? How do I open this thing?
Is this going in or coming out?
Don't miss anything, Matt. Listen. Lift that up first. Pull that out. Oh, hang on.
Wait, hang on, it's got the... Oh no, it's not. It's undone.
It's an answer machine.
Alright. Unboxing the controller.
Stop it just for answer phone.
How do you unbox the controller?
Randy, can you pass us a knife, please?
Yeah, just a knife.
Just wait, Matt. Don't lift anything.
I'm trying to unbox the controller.
No, just a normal knife.
A normal knife.
Okay.
Okay, just give me that. That's all knife. Don't matter. Right, unbox it. Oh gosh.
Ah, yes, that does it.
Ah man, that's all man. Oh man. Ghost.
Oh, there we
Let's
go.
Ghost. Boom.
Oh, look, Matt.
Oh, cool, it comes with a headset. Mum, it comes with a headset.
Yes, I know, I read that on the side.
That's cool.
That is cool.
Jinx.
What is it?
Yeah.
I'll bake it every so often. That's what the neighbours brought for Granny.
What was that? Oh, sure.
What do we got to charge the controllers up?
Yeah, probably.
Not really nice.
Yeah.
Did it?
Oh, that's quite fancy, isn't it, Matt?
Oh man, that's sick controller. Guys, look at the controller. Mum, look at the controller.
Wow.
You need to get used to feeling it first. Which is it feels different to the 360. I can't unbox anything like this.
Wait for me, Matt.
I'm trying to get this like 7
Yeah, give it the knife.
Oh gosh. Don't trust me.
Was that it?
Yep.
Just one. Be careful.
Oh, nice. It comes with batteries. Dad, it comes with the
Another
batteries.
controller.
Oh, nice. Guys, we got 2 controllers. Oh. Right. Here's the Xbox itself.
So what's that thing? Is it like the Kinects?
I think that's you know, like the Kinect thingy that you have for the Xbox when you plug it in. Might be that for one. So where we're gonna put my 360?
Same room.
That's what the other telly's for.
How will that? That's why we have that other telly. Okay.
You're a very lucky boy, Matthew, Jordan.
I know, right? I'm still lucky.
I come in with his big love next door. God, the fell upset he didn't we?
What, you were that busy,
We
lovely?
were loving me that time we fell over upset he didn't we?
Bought me a lot of scanners. Yeah, I'm into
It's
scanners.
really good that we've been watching, Mum.
Oh, what was
It's a
it?
series called Mad Dogs.
You'd like it, Granny.
I wouldn't.
Yeah.
I wouldn't.
Funny and it's weird, isn't it, Gary?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's gripping, isn't it?
I can't wait to watch the next one now. One of them.
I'm seeing these people sometimes.
Right, I'm going to go on again.
I'm insane.
Go on. The new scan. Get changed a bit.
Gosh, this is taking forever. I can't even get these batteries out. Oh look, yeah, right, we can do controllers. So that's battery. Let's do it.
Oh, what we got here then? We've got... That's like a power unit, actually, isn't it?
Yeah.
Power unit. I'm
So
hoping
yeah,
it's somewhere in here.
thanks for watching us unbox the
Yes.
Xbox One. See you next time.